These are our winter broad beans. They had a right battering because we never covered them with fleece, but they're looking quite good, and you can see the pods. Some here, little ones, and then there's bigger ones here. So they soon should be giving us some pods to eat. I watered these yesterday with a lovely concoction of comfrey. You can check out my other video about comfrey, and we've soaked it for a week in water, and oh, it stinks, but it's got a lot of goodness, and these looking very happy after their little feed. And they focus on the plants to stop them from growing. They can focus on the pods, and traditionally it's done to stop black fly from infesting. I don't know if that's because black fly fly at a certain height, but do you do this with your broad beans? Let me know underneath.